Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ranjit with another quick tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you on how to make transparent wallpaper for Android smartphones. Making your wallpaper transparent make your device more attractive and impressive, giving you a shine between your friends, circle and your community as well. You can easily get the transparent wallpaper by installing an application from the Google Play Store. So first let us install the application from the Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store and search for the application Transparent Screen and Live Wallpaper. I will also share the link in my description. Open the application once installed. This transparent wallpaper application works only with the help of your back camera. So you need to allow or give the required permission to make your wallpaper transparent as well. Now you can find three options. In that, click Transparent and click Set Wallpaper at the right top corner. That's it. Your transparent wallpaper is ready. So give it a try and comment below if you have any application to make transparent wallpaper for Android smartphones. Thank you for watching. Please do share and subscribe to my channel for more videos.